guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madz. I don't think I've ever done a video like this before, but I'm about to show you how I pack 15 days worth of items in just one carry-on bag. So if you want to see how I do it, then let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, I have this little carry-on suitcase and it's double-sided. So let me just show you exactly how I pack. So I like to pack this way, like this, just because it's easier for me to just, you know, kind of browse around. I can see everything, all the colors, and I can just pull something out really easily, you know? And this is the easiest way to do it, especially because if you are like me and you don't like unpacking when you get there because it wastes time, then this is the easiest way to do it. I also, let me just go ahead and show you. I also like to pack, not pack, but I also like to keep all my stuff like this, even just on a regular basis, with my drawers. Just, you know, shirts like this, and that way, whatever color I see, it's easier to pick out. Alright, so back to this. I have all the clothes that I need, and I pack like this, so I can see all my clothes all at once, and then I can just pick and choose whatever I want. I like to group them in certain outfits, but that's not always the case, and that's fine. Now, let me show you the other side. Alright, so the other side of the suitcase, I just took some pouches. Alright, so the other side of the suitcase, I took some pouches out, but here's one of the pouches and here's another one. So the other side, I like to fill with all pouches, and I like to keep some shorts and then some bottoms, like the heavier items like jeans, you know, jean shorts, different kinds of pants. Things that are heavier I like to keep on the other side. And then I also have, like, you know, another thing right there, which I will show you. So this first pouch I have some blister bandages because I can't live without those. They're always come in handy. Then I have my eye cream, this thing that I talked about before. I have some Q-tips, some sachets of Sephora samples that are great for traveling. And then I also keep my cleansing oil and what is this? The witch hazel. And yeah, so this is just like a quick little one. And so it's just easier to pack this way, and I can just take it out whenever I need to. Alright, so this is the other one that I have. All these pouches, usually I've gotten, like, I think most of these are from either, like, makeup. Like, this one's from Clinique, this one's from Estee Lauder. So here I have my sunglasses, but I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the stuff that I packed. So here, you know, some feminine products. Alright, so the next item that I have is another pouch, go figure. So this is the pouch that I like to keep everything. So in this pouch right here, I also, as you can see, I have a lot of pouches, you know, and there's another one. I just like to organize everything by pouches so it's easier. So this one I have, you know, my Ziploc bag full of all these things. So I have my shampoo, conditioner, body wash, rose water, I like to throw in there. I have to have a loofah for each country, so I have multiple loofahs that I'm going to be visiting in because I just don't like taking wet loofahs to every bathroom, you know what I mean, in the hotel room. And most hotels give it to you. I have my deodorant, and then, yeah, this is that. Let me show you this one right here. Okay, so this one, if I can just get this open. Alright, so in this one I have all my makeup, and I also threw in my mouthwash because there was no space to keep the other one in there. I have my Tatcha water cream, I have my sponge, I have all of my makeup items basically, and then I also have the mask. So I have like a lot of travel stuff in here. Some of these are full size, some of these are travel, like this brush for example, you know, Smashbox brush, travel brushes. Of course, Tarte Shape Tape, and yeah, that's about it. I also keep like full-size brushes as well, but this is all my makeup, so it's, let me just, for reference, so just for reference, it's like about a little bit bigger than my hand, so not too much, just because I like to buy all my makeup once I get there. This time I'm going to Europe, so I like to buy European makeup, but yeah. Alright, so you guys might be wondering where I store all my shoes and stuff. So I'm going to take a pair of sneakers, I'm going to wear those, and I'm going to take only one pair of sandals, because usually I like to just shop there and then buy my stuff there. I'm also going to be taking, and then if for some reason I have more luggage than I expect, then I'll just buy a suitcase over there. And yeah, that's usually like worst case scenario type of thing. I'll also be taking a like little purse or possibly a mini backpack, just because I don't want to travel like too heavy. But yeah, that's about it. That's 15 days worth of stuff in just one carry-on. And then although I'm not going for 15 days, I'm gonna grab like, I also have a full suitcase which I'm gonna get like after 15 days and then take that with me through the rest of the trip. But just for 15 days I'm gonna be living out a suitcase, and this is about it. Alright, so something I forgot to mention is that I like to take all my electronics with me in my backpack. So that's my drone, gimbal, camera battery, laptop battery, all those things I like to keep with me in my backpack. And then I also like to take a few things in the cabin area, like while I'm in the plane sitting. A few masks. I got a few of these. I have a few lip masks, some eye masks, and some Neutrogena Hydro Boost as moisturizer. Listerine, because you never know. CeraVe, which is amazing for chopping. I have some sleeping headphones. I'm also going to be taking my regular headphones. And I also like to keep, I know it sounds weird, but I also like to take my Tangle Teaser, which is just like a hairbrush. My hair probably looks really bad right now because I don't care. I'm in the middle of packing. I like to keep this with me because sometimes your hair gets tangled and, you know, you need to brush it out. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get a notification every single time I post a new video. I will see you in the next one. And if you want to know where I'm traveling to, then follow me on Instagram. Now probably by the time this video goes up, I'll probably already be, it'll be about 15 days later. So in the next one, bye!